Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, The Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. Today is a special day because I have with me none other than my very own
son.
That's right. He is here with me because, and would you like to introduce yourself?
My name's Josh.
Okay, wave to the people. So Josh is sitting with me right now. If he's 8 years old, what grade are you in?
Third.
Okay, so he's in the third grade, and you know what? 8-year-olds who are in the third grade enjoy games, cars.
Yes.
What else? What else you guys like?
Playing around.
They like playing around. Now, a few years ago, you know, he would sit alongside with me and we would make stuff. We would craft together. As he's gotten older, he has his own interests. But in the spirit of togetherness, I have been blessed with something that we may be able to do together. So let me just jump right on into why we're here today. So I recently received an email from
something.
Let's see, Bailey, I believe her name is, excuse me. And Bailey is from Victorious Moon. So Victorious Moon offers a variety of different 5D diamond painting, and so I have seen several different videos. A few of my favorite YouTubers, I think it's called A Colorful Life. That's one of the channels. They have done it on their channel, and then there's a few others who do it. So they were kind enough to supply me with a kit, and they said that I could, you know, pick out the design. And so Josh and I went online, and we were happy to find
a car thing.
Yeah.
And I'm just going to give you a hint. It's orange, and it's a Lambo.
Is it orange or is it red?
I'm pretty sure it's orange because that's like the classic color. This type of Lamborghini.
Oh,
like, that's
see, we wouldn't even have known that. Thank goodness that we have the expert here, because how else would we have known that the classic Lambo color?
Well,
because they need to be seen.
Not the classic Lambo color. It's just the specific Lambo.
A specific Lambos? How else would we have known that? So thank goodness that we have this guy here with us, this young fella, because he now has educated us women on, you know, the particulars around the Lamborghinis, because it's well above my pay grade. All right, so I'm gonna, one of the things that I promised that I would do was I told them that I would do an unboxing, and I'm happy to also, do a few on camera, what do you call it? Where we put this together. So Josh is taking out. Well, you want to show the people what that is? Oh, yeah, exactly.
That kind of looks like a stick. It's something that you keep in your car.
Why would we keep that in our car?
I'm talking about you.
I keep something like that in my car?
Well, yeah, it looks kind of cool. It's something that you'd put in there.
It looks like a pen.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. It looks like a pen.
Okay, so here we have, well, let me unroll this so we can see all of what comes in here.
This is definitely a pen. Look at that. That's from a pen.
You think so? Well, don't be so sure. Okay, so here it looks like we have like a sheet, a color indication sheet. It's kind of like paint by numbers. That's what I'm guessing, folks. That this is kind of like a paint by numbers thing. You remember back in the 80s?
From like on the mobile things and stuff?
Well, no, honey. I'm not quite sure if they've advanced that into technology. But
they did, I'm pretty sure.
Well, you may very well be right. I have not seen it, but that doesn't mean that it's not out there. So, paint by numbers, what that was, Josh, it was just a picture. It was black and white, and you either had crayons that came with it, typically paint, and there was this, numbers on each area of the drawing, and it told you what color to put inside that one. And when you were all done, you had a fully painted picture. And so this is what I think that this is similar to. So, oh, here you go, Josh. Yep, it is. It looks to be an orangish red or reddish orange. So, let me see if you guys can see up there. So, this is where it shows you pretty much the same as what is on this sheet.
Here's the car. Here's the car.
And there is the car.
Which is a Lamborghini 2012 event store.
Oh. How do you know it's a 2012? Did it say that, or you just happen to know the model?
I play Forza, and that's what it says.
Oh. So, guys, if you want to be a little bit more abreast of cars, and you can't afford to buy them, go ahead and get you an Xbox and get the game Forza. And then you
some things.
Well, you can always Google them, but to get some real-world experience with it, get you the game of Forza on Xbox. Okay, so Josh, take a look. You can go ahead and slightly open that up. Okay. Oh, and I think that they said that there's videos on how to do this. It might be on their site. So if that information is available, I'll drop it below in the description. I'll drop some additional information in the description. Okay, well, thank you. I appreciate your assistance in the unboxing process.
That's pretty cool.
So what do we have there, Josh? What are these?
Yeah.
What do they look like? Here.
They remind me of like little beads and little minerals.
They do look like little minerals. Oh, so cool. Look at the size of these.
We have a big one, which is black. And we do these for the event store.
And it looks like there's 32 colors. Boy, this is going to get intricate. I'm looking forward to it. This is definitely not going to be an overnight type of process. I really do steer clear of things that require, that are tedious and require hours of work. But for the sake of hanging out with Josh the Mayor, that's, by the way, that's his channel. He's got a YouTube channel called the Mayor 614, I think it is.
Yeah.
Go ahead and check that out. I'll drop a link below in the comments. We're actually up there.
Yeah, the reason we haven't posted videos in 2 years is because
a year and a half.
Yeah, it's because I want to make it so it can be a game channel, so I can make like actual,
You want to stream.
Yeah, I want to stream.
And because streaming is typically a service that's provided to teens, we've got to find a workaround, or wait and see if there is some type of an app.
Amazon and that.
Okay, so guys, we got a little bit interrupted here. Let me see if I can get a little bit more lighting going.
We have that UPS lady.
No, that wasn't UPS. That was Amazon. So Amazon was coming in here to drop off a package for Josh. And so moving right along, because we're not going to keep you guys here much longer. Be careful. I'm really not sure what this is, but let's just open it up. Let's take a look. Let's take a gander. Oh.
Ooh. Wait, so I think you need to pick them up. Hold on.
Okay, you gotta...
Let's open a small one. Like one of these.
Okay, hold on. Let's put that in here. That's what this is for. Which can kind of keep it together. I'm sure we probably would need
together.
We'll probably need... Look in that bin right there. There should be a black round cup. It's in the pink bin.
That means black round cup?
Yeah, that. All right, let me try
coffee containers.
We're not going to actually put anything down on this first day. We're just doing an unboxing. And we're so organized with it. So, if you are a boy mom as well, you know the struggle in trying to keep things, together and neat and organized and tidy. Right. They could care less about that. Aesthetics is nothing for them. But, that being said, we wouldn't trade them for the world, right? All right, so let me see. Okay, this feels kind of waxy.
That is wax. I accidentally pulled some of it off.
Yeah, so I think it goes like that. But I think how it goes...
so it's like one of your old things where you you have the thing and then you pick it up.
Oh, you're talking about my... I know. Don't we make this the perfect color? He's talking about my pick-me-up stick. And he's used one of these before as well.
Pick-me-up.
In craft and what have you. Now, you don't want to damage it because we're not sure... Well, I'm sure I could always use this in replace of it. But that's got nothing to do with their product. So we want to make sure that if we're using their product, that we're using the tools that they sent to work with the product.
Pick-me-up stick.
And I don't know what this is. So that's kind of like a pick-me-up stick for those of you who do jewelry.
It's kind of like a laser way, though.
All of these kind of look like they do the same thing. So for the smaller ones,
those look like chopsticks. Those are chopsticks.
Like tweezers.
No, well, if you think about it, those are chopsticks. Because like you have those food. Like imagine like these are pieces of food, and they just have to be precision, though.
Yeah, you'd have to be super precise. That might be to adjust it, to make adjustments with. So this is how tiny they are.
Oh, one's stuck.
Here are all the colors. And I guess my biggest question is, how am I going to, and we'll learn this as we, this will be a journey. We'll all go on this journey together. If you stay tuned, you too can learn about 5D, not 3D, not 2D, but 5D diamond painting by
Hey, Mom.
Yes, Josh.
You should actually come in handy in another video, Mom.
Well, Mommy's got tweezers. I've got plenty of tweezers for crafting. All right, so if you guys are interested, reach out to Victoria's Moon, and I think that there's a coupon code that I can extend to you guys. If I do, if it's in my email, I will drop it below. Comment below if this is something that you guys are interested in, or if you've tried this, or if you've completed one.
Ooh.
If you've completed one, I'd like to hear from you. And if you have a video like this on your channel, please comment below so that I can take a look and see how to do this. I've got to check somebody's video. Might as well be yours, right? So I'm going to go ahead and move this stuff off of my desk, wrap this up for now.
That's going to take hours.
No, yeah. So that we can finish up our classes for today, our classwork for today, because we homeschool and this is a day in progress. So I want to thank you guys for coming back, and if you're new to the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button, because the diversity of crafting, it's wide here. You could very well, and then we've got different hosts. We've got Josh the Mayor here. We've got me, Fam the Fabulous. Who knows who I'll have on here tomorrow? I may have the Amazon delivery girl or the UPS guy. I don't know.
Not to mention the Amazon delivery girl. That was just being here.
I should have brought her on so she could have said hi to everybody. And to ensure, by the way, she just pulled up in her own vehicle because she said 2 of the trucks were stuck in town. And just to ensure that all the kids got their costumes and packages for Halloween, she used her own personal vehicle to make sure that all the packages were delivered. Kind of like, how the elves go out on behalf of Santa Claus to ensure that all the kids get their presents the night before Christmas. Anyways, I digress. I digress. Again, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of the crafty uploads, hauls, DIYs, happy mails, shares, or racks in our featured guests. And if you are a current subscriber, thanks so much for coming back, for your comments, for liking, sharing, and for all of your feedback. I always respond to all of the comments, so because they encourage me. So anyways, guys, until we're back here again on YouTube, you know the story. Stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafty.
Bye-bye.
Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.